What's up guys, so look at this, I've just logged on to War Robots and look at this free offer here. So I can get one of each spin and the Giftbringer Fenrir completely for free from Pixonic for Christmas. So here we go, here is the Giftbringer Fenrir, look at that, that's amazing. So we're getting a limited edition robot here, plus enough coins to do a spin in each chest. I really like how they've done this is really good that they actually have. So let's go ahead and claim this. Oh, there we go. We got a Giftbringer Fenrir. That's so good. I have my Mark II Fenrir though, so I don't know what to do in terms of leveling this. Because I would level this more to Mark II, but then it would kind of be a waste of my normal Fenrir, so I don't really know what to do there. Right, so before I look at it, let's open the coins. I'll do one of each of the chests. Maybe we'll even win the Harpy or something. I just need to claim this supply drop first, because then I'll be up to 20 million, which I'll probably just sink into that Giftbringer Fenrir. But yeah, let's now go ahead and do the coins quickly. I really hope I get something good out of it, because then it would just be even better. Right, here we go. Let's just do the bronze one first. Imagine I win like a weapon or the Cruel Orochi or something. Right, let's go ahead. What have we got here? It's deciding. Oh, that's pretty useless to me, honestly. The toxin ones, or if it was toxin, that'd be nice. What have we got? Yep, toxin, there we go. Yeah, toxin's probably better than, like, the puncher and that at the moment, because I need more toxins. Anyway, let's move on to the silver chests. I'm really hoping to get a lucky one out of any of these. I could win Harpy here if I'm extremely lucky. It's like a 1 in 100 chance. Let's see. Oh, please don't be components. Oh, the gold would be pretty good though. I'd use that for pilots. Oh no, we got Scorcher components. I have so many of the blast charge weapons. I don't even need any more. Right, now, finally, the gold one. I'd better get something good here. Although, it'll be my second one that I'll get a weapon, because that's happened with all of them. Look at the animation, that's so cool. Oh, come on, that's so bad. I want the Snire ones. Yep, there we go. That's pretty good. Oh, well, that was a bit underwhelming, opening those three there. But anyway, let's now take a look at the Giftbringer Fenrir. Oh, we've got the offers. Let's see if there's any decent gold event coins today. So what have we got? Power cells gold. Now I don't need any of that. Oh, that's a really bad deal. Oh, they're selling the Scorpion today. All these are not that good. Neither's that. See, they haven't done a good amount of coins yet. Wait, why the Solid Jaeger? I actually want that, but I wouldn't pay that much for it. It's not that good. Fafnir's destroy it now. Anyway, let me just show you guys my Mark II Fenrir. As you can see, I would max out the Giftbringer one, if I could, but that's going to be a lot of silver and a lot of work, so I'm really not sure what I'd do. People are saying that to upgrade the limited edition one, if you've already upgraded the regular one, you can just sell it and use the silver, so I might check how much silver I can get from selling this. I've also got the Bernadette Wolf pilot as well. So putting that on the Giftbringer one would just give it like 70% more HP, including the initial 10% it has already, because it's limited edition. Where is this thing? Oh, there it is! I've always wanted one of these. Look at that! Look at the, like, antlers. That's so cool! I can't believe they've actually done that. Oh, that thing looks so good. Let me just put the Sonics on it quickly. I have 2 Devastators. I used to run them on my Orochi. Right, let's just get the Havocs quickly. But yeah, guys, I have 20 million silver, so I think I'm at least going to get this to level 7 before I decide what to do with it. I would really like a Mark II one of these instead of my regular Mark II Fenrir, but I don't know how much I'll get for selling the other one, but it took me so long getting my Fenrir to Mark II. Look at this thing. It looks so good. Look at that. It's actually a really good design for a robot as well. Look at the Rudolph nose. Oh, it's so good. Anyway, I might as well start upgrading this. So let's just get it on the way to level 2. I also want to put the pilot on it. So let's just find my Bernadette Wolf pilot here. I'll have to take her off my regular Fenrir. I will obviously keep running my Mark II Fenrir until I decide what to do with this. I just want to see what it looks like in my hangar. I don't know, I might run like one game with it. Now I have 2 Fenrirs anyway, so why don't I just like max both of them and run both? I love the Fenrir, it's so good. Right, so let's put the Bernadette Wolf pilot onto the Giftbringer Fenrir. There we go. Why is War Robot so slow today? It's probably because it's early in the morning. But yeah, look at this, guys. This is, oh wow, it's just amazing. Especially with the sonic weapons. And when that's leveled, that's going to be so good. I just need to decide whether or not to run it. Let's just see how much I'll get for selling this. That will probably decide whether I do it or not. Right, how much? 19.8 million! Are you serious? No way! I'm not selling that, no way. That's a joke. I spent like over 100 million for that. Are you serious? It is no way worth selling that, guys, so I don't know what to do here. I might try and max this out, but I genuinely haven't got a clue. I'm just going to quickly take a look at the offers here in case there's anything else. Oh yeah, what's with this 1011 stuff? It was like 2022 the other day. I'm not sure what's up with that. Event coins, there's still not a decent amount that I can get. I will be doing an opening on this event eventually. It'll probably be after Christmas though. Just some weapons, gold, keys. Oh, no way, the Ardent Behemoth. I actually want one of these to run like Prisma on. Oh, that's actually good. I've already bought the Ares one because I needed the extra pulsars. Solid Jaeger. Power cells I'm really low on at the minute, which is actually bad. And these tokens one, which I actually will do. This is a really good one to watch ads, so make sure you do that every day. But yeah, guys, that was a good surprise. If you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.